Hello and welcome to the Tasha channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome again. Today we are about to do an unboxing of something that I've been waiting to unbox for like the last, I think, 3 days, because I got this Saturday and today is Monday. So yes, but when you see this, I don't know what day it's gonna be, so I shouldn't even tell you the day of the week. Anywho, it is an item that I literally had to go search for high and low, because your girl wanted to thrift it, and it is my wedding shoe. I wanted to thrift it. I didn't want to buy it brand new, so I had to like search and search and search and search and search, but I finally found it. So we're going to unbox it, because I didn't even open it yet. I saw the UPS lady pulling up, and I'm like, I need that box. Give it here right now, because I know what it is. I have not watched like my last video or whatever, my thrift haul. This is one of the dresses from the thrift haul. I ain't gonna stand up and show you all that. I'll pop up a video of what the whole dress look like. Yeah, so we're gonna get into this unboxing. Oh my god, I don't even want to open it up because I'm scared. Like, I'm excited and I'm scared, and I was like, I ain't gonna open it until I'm able to record. So y'all lucky, because y'all get to watch me unbox this. So let me do the honors. I got the scissors right here. I'm about to start cutting the box. Oh my god, like, this is my first pair. By me just saying that and you reading the title, you should know what it is. Let's pop it open. I can't even get it open. Okay, so we got that. They sent me like little polka dots in here. I mean, so that will let you know where I got it from. Fashion File. Put this little pink dot down. Okay, so they sent me a file in the box. This is my first time ordering from them, so I'm excited about that. Can you see it? What it say? And I got a lot of pink and gray dots all over the place. The box feels so small. Okay, so some little paper in there, and let's pull this out. Used is the new. That's what this says. So that says, if y'all can see it, used is the new. Okay, so let's peel that off. We're gonna peel that off right there. Pull that paper off. Y'all, like, this. Then we're going to untie this. They got it tight. Like, the bag up. Ooh, you see that? You see the brown box. So I don't gotta tell you what it is, and it's a wedding shoe, so you probably know what it's gonna be. Anywho, I'm going to oh my god. Y'all probably think I'm super crazy, right? I'm not. I just be excited over the tiniest little things, and like all these little details really got me excited. So this is the shoe box. Let me pull it back here. Let's open it up. Take the top off. There's a little paper in there. Peel back the paper. And pull the baby out. Look at that. And let me let you know this. Look at the bottom. It's not a speck of nothing on the bottom of this shoe. You see that? Super clean. Like, you can lick it, but I ain't gonna lick it. I know people be licking their shoes for some reason, but I'm not gonna do that. Look at it. Oh my god, it's like smooth as a baby's butt. That's the first shoe. And then this is the other shoe. Both. Like, it still got the tag on the bottom. Tell me who ain't thrifting what, because I'm thrifting everything. You hear me? No, I'm just playing. But literally, so that's it here. I got the little extra taps that came in there. So the shoe is pretty much brand new. It is certified authentic. I mean, I don't know if you can see it. Like, there you go. It's certified authentic by them. And now let's try it on. Like, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I've been going crazy over this wedding and all this stuff, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm almost 30 days away from the wedding date, so I'm really, really excited about these. Like, oh my God, look at it. It is so cute. And okay, so let me tell you what size they are. They are 36 and a half. Can you see the bottom? I don't know if you can really like see the bottom, but they are 36 and a half. This is a Soul Kate 100, so it's not even a Pagali. That's what I was gonna order. It's a Soul Kate. If you can see that, don't know if you can see it. It's a Soul Kate 100. Now the normal Soul Kate is 120 mil. This is 100 mil, so it's very shorter than the other ones. So let's turn that off. It's shorter than the other shoe that you will typically see. I'm going to try it on. Okay, so this is the shoe. I'm gonna bring my foot all the way up here. That was so ghetto, but let's put it on. Y'all hear it? Let's see. Okay, your girl got it on. Put it in the camera. I'm just gonna make another video for that part. I think I don't know, I gotta put the other one on. So I'm gonna give y'all a little shoe cam, as Wendy Williams would say, and you can see for yourself. Like, I'm gonna pop up the video right here of the shoe cam or whatnot. I feel like I'm up like that, but it's okay. And I'll pop up, like, you can see a little toe cleavage. You can kind of see a lot of toe cleavage in this shoe. And my arch is so big, like I got a high arch in my foot. You can kind of feel, like, see the arch. And I think it looks like it's a little too big in the back. It looks like you can stick your finger back there, but I think that's just because of the way the shoe is made. Like right here, you can kind of see a little bit, but I don't think I will find a Pagali, I think that's how you pronounce it, in 100 mil in 30 days, because nobody had it anyway when I was trying to find it or look for it. This, yeah, I'm not mad at it. I think I can last the whole night in this, and it's 4 inches, so I'm good. It's not a 5-inch heel, so I'm good. I'm really okay with it. I'm liking it. And I mean, like, the back, I can't put my foot up here so you can actually see it, because I know they say like size up a full size in red bottoms. So I'm typically like a 5.5, 6 in American made shoes. So in European shoes, I would typically be like a 36. But since red bottoms is like little stilts and you kind of walking on like the ball of your feet, I'm like, okay, a 36.5. Now, I don't think I can beat this. Like, it is brand new, y'all. I don't know. Like, I'm excited. This is me. This is my wedding shoe. Take a good look at it. Let me give you a good look at it. Like, there you go. I'm talking about no marks, no nothing. Brand new. You gotta search for what you want. Y'all be sleeping on the thrifting. I'm just saying. Secondhand is where it's at. So for my wedding day, I'm going to have something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue. That old will be these, because they old and I thrifted them. Something borrowed, I don't even know what that is yet. Something blue will be my garter, of course. And something new will be the dress. So yeah, anywho, be on the lookout for my wedding vlogs, because they'll be coming up as I continue to shop or finish up wedding planning. And also be on the lookout for the actual wedding video. And yeah, I'm so excited about this. Like, I can't be more happier. I waited a few days to open the box so I can share this moment with y'all. And yeah, I'm happy. So kudos to me. First pair of red bottoms. And they gonna get wore at my wedding. Let me do like a little. And the only reason I had to get red bottoms is because the babe was like, I got red bottoms, so you gotta have red bottoms on too. So I had to get them. It was no other way. And yeah, so I'm pretty much pleased with this. And here you go. Until next time, I know this video was way drawn out. It shouldn't even have to be this long. But until next time, I will see you guys like in the next video. And if you have not, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a thrift or a video. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.